In this video, I'm reviewing the ZenBusiness Premium Plan. We will cover the business formation speed, the worry-free compliance features, and the integrated website tools. By the end, you will know exactly if this is the right launchpad for your new business. Now, the link to ZenBusiness is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give ZenBusiness a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Thank you very much, and now let's get started. Part 1. The basics. Let's start with what ZenBusiness actually is. When you're starting a new company, there are several legal hurdles to jump through, like filing articles of organization with your state or getting tax IDs. You could try to navigate government websites yourself, but that process can be complex and time-consuming. ZenBusiness simplifies this entirely. It is a digital platform where you answer questions about your business in plain English, and they handle the filing and paperwork for you. Today, we're looking specifically at the Premium Plan. This is their most comprehensive, all-inclusive package. It is designed to take you from a simple idea to a fully formed legal business with an online presence in just a few days. It covers everything from the legal structure to your domain name, essentially acting as a business in a box. Part 2. The pros. Now, let's talk about the strengths of this plan. Why do so many entrepreneurs choose Premium? Well, first, it is fast. Time is often the most critical factor for a new business. With the Premium Plan, your filing is prioritized with expedited speed. This means ZenBusiness processes your documents immediately, aiming to get your business approved by the state as quickly as possible so you can start operating. Second is the worry-free compliance service. Running a business involves ongoing maintenance, like filing annual reports to keep your company in good standing. This feature puts that maintenance on autopilot. ZenBusiness tracks your state deadlines and alerts you so you never miss a filing. It's a massive peace of mind feature that lets you focus on growth, not paperwork. Third is the integration. With Premium, you aren't just getting an LLC. You're getting your employer ID number, a business email address, and a domain name all in one ecosystem. Having your legal documents and your web assets managed under one login is incredibly convenient for organization. Finally, it's worth noting that ZenBusiness is a public benefit corporation. They're committed to the success of small businesses and offer resources and grants to help the community, which is a great mission to support. Part 3. The cons. Now, of course, every service has things you should consider to ensure it fits your specific needs. First, consider the subscription nature of the service. The Premium Plan is designed as an ongoing partnership to keep your business compliant and online year after year. This means it is an annual membership. You're paying for the continued convenience of having your website hosted and your compliance managed in one place, rather than a one-time transaction. Second, regarding the website builder, the tool provided is excellent for getting published quickly. It uses streamlined templates that look professional and are easy to set up. However, if you're a web developer or need highly complex custom coding, you might find the templates a bit streamlined for your specific tastes. It is perfect for a starter site, but very advanced users may want more flexibility later on. Lastly, just a reminder on pricing. The package price covers the ZenBusiness service, but it does not include state filing fees. These fees go directly to your state government and vary by location. It is standard for the industry, but just make sure to budget a little extra for whatever your specific state charges. Part 4. The experience. So, what is it actually like to use? The user interface is genuinely one of the best in the industry. The onboarding process is very polished. It feels modern and guided, removing the intimidation factor often associated with legal forms. Once you're set up, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. You get a clear checklist of what has been filed and what is ready for download. In terms of daily usage, the platform serves as a great digital filing cabinet. Whenever you need to reference your information documents for a bank or partner, they're securely stored and easy to access. Customer support is also a highlight. Premium members get access to the information experts. Users consistently report that the support team is friendly and helpful, providing guidance not just in the software, but on the general process of getting your business up and running. Part 5. Quality and reliability. Now, when it comes to quality and reliability, ZenBusiness scores very high. The core value here is accuracy. The Pro and Premium plans come with an accuracy guarantee. This means they stand behind their work, ensuring your documents are filed correctly the first time. For a new business owner, that assurance is valuable. Reliability-wise, the worry-free compliance is a standout. The system is very effective at monitoring your status with the state. We rarely see issues with missed deadlines when this service is active. The digital platform itself is stable, fast, and secure, which is exactly what you want when handling sensitive legal information. Part 6. Price and competition. Now, let's look at the value proposition. The premium plan is an investment, usually priced around $399 annually plus state fees. When you compare it to competitors, the value becomes clear. You could piece these services together separately, hiring a registered agent, buying a domain, paying for email hosting, and paying for filing. But managing multiple vendors takes time and often costs more in the long run. Compared to traditional options like lawyers, ZenBusiness is significantly more affordable. And compared to other online filing services, ZenBusiness often offers a more user-friendly interface and better customer support ratings. Now, if you're on a strict budget, they do offer a starter plan for just the filing basics. But the premium plan is competitively priced for the sheer volume of features and speed included in the bundle. Part 7. The verdict. So, is the ZenBusiness premium plan worth it? Well, if you're an entrepreneur who wants a fast, all-in-one solution to launch your business with professional support, then yes, it is the gold standard for convenience and peace of mind. But if you prefer to manage every technical aspect of your website and filing yourself, then you might look at other plans. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're planning to try ZenBusiness, remember to use my link in the description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.